Westermans here again with a few small little Miller Migmatic compact MIGs. We have the 273, the 333 and the 293, all three-phase machines. Also some Lincoln PowerTech 300Cs. These machines will be serviced to order or can be sold as is. More details available on westermans.com. You'll probably find most of these machines also have part rolls of wire inside. A good mixed bag of compact machines at the right sort of price. More details available on westermans.com and other MIGs with separate wire feeds. Also a range of plasma machines, column booms, sub-arc tractors, positioners, rotators, plus much more. Thank you for looking.